Hi, good evening. Welcome to Stock Market Fundas. Let's start analysis with the Nifty chart today. Nifty, this is a spinning top candle, sir, and I have told in my past videos also. After a sharp movement, if we see a spinning top, that represents that the momentum which was made is hold, and high and low of the candle becomes important. So, if Nifty tomorrow starts trading below the low which it has made 17,820 and 17,790. This is a support zone as of now, we can say. And if we are planning to sell Nifty, then sell below the level of 17,792. Even your option chain, if you look at the option chain chart, 17,900 highest OI is outstanding at 17,900 and 18,000. So 17,900 and 18,000 will act as your resistance. In the past video also I have told you the same thing. That is the last video which I made, that 17,900 will be our first target, which got hitted yesterday. I mean the last trading session, and 18,000 will be a second target, right? Now, if you see, same here, 17,800, 71,000 contracts are outstanding, 17,774. So as of now, support for Nifty is 17,800 and 700. Resistance is 900 and 18,000. So if your Nifty starts trading below 17,790, then you may gain some good momentum to the downside, and a good support to Nifty is available near 665 and 650 zone. This is a support zone for the Nifty if it start trading below this, right? Now let's analyze the chart of Bank Nifty. If you see Bank Nifty, on the last video also told that first target will be at the high which has made on the previous swing, that was 38,112. Yes, the last trading session it has touched the exact high and reversed, right? So if you look at the pattern, it is like a double top kind of pattern. It made a high, then retraced back, then exactly the high which it has made previously had touched it, and now again a spinning top. So now if your Bank Nifty starts trading below, that is your 37 618 680, right, 680 690 zone, then you may your Bank Nifty will find a support near 37 400 350 zone. This is a support zone if it start trading below this. So, and further downside, if it break these levels and sustains, then up to 150 and 37,000 is the next immediate support, right? And if possible, if it makes a double top complete pattern and it breaks the neckline, then we can expect the Bank Nifty to moving towards 34,000 again. But it's again a technical thing, and market is even not working on technicals and neither fundamentals, as you know, much nowadays. So yeah, first target below this will be this, and after that we will see on which direction the Bank Nifty is going, right? And let's move towards the stocks. The first stock on my radar is the first stock on my radar is from the sector, Nifty Auto. Let's analyze the Nifty Autos. And Nifty Auto, if you see, it's a head and shoulder pattern, and inverted head and shoulder pattern. And if it's at the neckline, if give a breakout above the neckline, then you may see a good strength in the autos stock, right? And now the festival season is coming, so people might they may buy bike, car, gold, silver, right? Dasra, Diwali is on the near. So one stock you can keep on radar from the auto is M&M. M&M, if you look at the M&M chart, it has bounced from the support zone, now moving towards its resistance zone, that is 800. And if you see on the 75 minutes chart, a good buying was seen in the stock, and after many days of consolidation, stock has started moving up. Now the high which is at that 782, if it start trading above the 782, then you may see stock moving towards the first target will be at 790, because if you look at the 790, 200 period moving average is there. So at first target above 782 will be at 790, and if it sustains 790, then your next target will be 795 and 800. Right, this is the one stock which is looking good to me for tomorrow. And another stock is Eicher Motors, which we have taken BTS in our paid also. If you look at the 75 minutes chart, there was a rising pattern, and it has given breakout with volume. And now if you look at the stock, it is about to move towards the 3000 level, right? And if it starts trading about 2952, then we may see stock moving towards 2990 and 3000 level. And there is a high possibility, looking at the build or open interest buildup, that stock may touch 3000. Another stock which is looking good to me from the auto sector only is your Balkrishna Industries. Reason why Balkrishna Industries, if you see, there was a selling pressure in the morning, and thereafter a good recovery in the stock from the lower levels, and it tried to engulf the morning, the day high. It tried to cross the day high. Now if your stock start trading about 2670, then your first target will be 2700 and above levels. So these are the three stocks which are looking good to me from the auto sector. Now, if we move next to the IT sectors, if you look at the IT sector, there was a rejection candle, price rejection candle. Those who knows the which candlestick pattern it is, please do let me know in the comment section. And if you know about the candlestick pattern after a good uptrend, and if you see on the top such kind of candlestick, and the low of the candlestick pattern is broken, then what happens next, do let me know in the comment section, right? Now the two stocks which are looking good to me for shorting is, one is your Nokri. Why Nokri? If you look at the 75 minutes of chart, there was clear lower high higher low of combination, and it was into downtrend until last. The stock was in selling pressure. Now if stock start trading above the low which it has made yesterday, that is the last trading session, that is 6643, your first target will be 6600. And if 6600 is broken, then the next support zone is coming over 6550. So these are the two targets which you can expect, and then there may be bounce back or follow up selling. And if these levels are broken, then positionally your stock might move towards 6300 level also, right? The next stock which is looking good to me, why Mindtree I have selected, if you see sir, almost from 3 months there was no correction in the stock. If you select from here, there was a move till here almost 69 days, 70 days, it has taken 46 bars, and 72% of the stock has run up to 72% without making any correction. So if you look at the candlestick pattern which has it has made on the last trading session, which pattern it is, that also do let me know. And it is synchronized with your IT chart. If you look at the same, similar to the IG chart, the same candlestick pattern is formed. Now if the low of this pattern, this I mean 4580, if your Mindtree starts trading below 4580, then your stock may move towards the 453 4540, and this this will be our the immediate targets, that is 4500, 40 and 40, right? 21 is to 2, 4600 will be our stop loss, right? Minimum 1 is to 2 and 1 is to 4 also possible if stocks start trading below the low it has made, right? And one more stock which is looking good to me is Apollo Hospital. If you look at, there was a good selling in the stock in the last, and stock is standing at its trend line support. Tomorrow it may bounce from this trend line, or if trend line is broken, then your first target will be this, the support zone, which is 4680 to 4700, and below this, then you may see a good downside in the stock till positionally till 4200 level. There is no major support for the stock, right? And one more stock which you can keep on radar, if you have to look at the bank nifty, how the nifty and bank nifty is performing. HDFC Bank, after a long time, it has gave a closing above 1600, and if it starts trading above the high which has it made, that is 1608, then you can see stock moving towards 16, 18, 20, and 30 level and 40 level. So there is chances if the global sentiments your market is positive, then this stock in the banking sector can outperform and may test the all-time high or break it as well. So keep this stock as well on your radar. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.